You know, I can always count on this woman to come on and bring the passion and the energy and the importance of what's going on with the vote. Barbara Arwine, Executive Director of the Lawyers Committee for Civil Rights Under Law. That means she cares a lot about your vote. How you doing, Barbara?
Hi. It's great to be on your show, and thank you for all of your promotion of the hotline. People have been calling by the hundreds.
Great.
Thank
I'm
you
so happy to hear that. What are they asking, Barbara? What are they asking?
Oh, they're asking about, how to register to vote, what kind of ID they need, who can help them, if they're an ex-felon. There's all kinds of questions. They are calling, and thank you. 700 people called on Monday.
Wow.
400 people called yesterday.
Good.
So they are calling. You are really being magnificent. Thank you
Barbara.
So much.
And you know what? It's all about us partnering together, me doing my job, you doing your job. What are some of the most common questions that people ask that you can help us out with right now?
Well, right now, the big thing, everybody, is you must spend all your time making sure that you are registered to vote. You got to go in and verify your voter registration. It is estimated that in some states, like Florida, for example, 60% of everyone who registered for the first time in 2008 needs to be re-registered.
Wow.
Re-registered. People are thinking, I'm good because I voted in 2008. No, you may not be in your state. So the first thing you want to do is verify your registration. Don't wait until it's too late. Remember that for most states, you need to be registered by October 8th. That's it. So we are telling everybody, register as soon as you can. If you're not registered, register now. If you think you're registered, verify it. We actually have a tool that people can use to help them register. So what you can do, pull out your smartphone, your iPhone, your Android, your Sprint, whatever you have, and text to 90975.
One more time.
Text to 90975, and in your context put in our vote. One word, our vote, OURVOTE, and it will give you the smartphone application. And it's for free, everybody. It's totally for free. We want you to use this because what you can do is the minute you put in your information, it's going to tell you if you're registered to vote or not.
Oh, wow.
The minute you put it in.
We're going to make sure to put that out there. We're going to blog it on Facebook and Twitter page and make sure that people can go and link directly to it.
And then it allows you to register to vote if you are not registered.
What
and
else
guess
is going
what?
Go ahead, Barbara.
Once you use it and you do it for yourself, then you can use it for any friend, any relative, anybody you know, anywhere in the United States. As long as they are willing to give you their information, you can pull it up for them and tell them if they're registered, and if they're not, you can help them register. So come on, people, let's do it. Let's do it.
Other than that, Barbara, what other challenges do we have besides the registration?
They need to make sure they know what the identifications requirements are in their state. They need to be a VIP, know your ID requirements and know the correct polling place. And the good thing is the app does all of that. It will tell you, what identification is required in your state, and it will also tell you where your polling place is.
How do they get the app again? Tell them one more time.
Yes, you text to 90975, the word our vote, OURVOTE. Be a VIP, people. Register now. Help everybody you know who may think they're good, but they may not be so good, because 60%, over 3 million people who registered in 2008 need to be re-registered right now.
That is scary.
People don't wait. Don't wait another day.
When they call 1-866-OUR-VOTE, what happens when they call that number?
Oh, they find there's a lawyer on the line, or there's a legal volunteer who will help answer any question they have about, can I vote in my state if I'm an ex-felon? Can I vote in my state if I just moved there? If I was voting in Ohio and I just moved to Florida, which one do I need to vote at? Can I re-register? What's my requirements? I moved from one county to the other. And in Florida, if you have moved to one county to the other, you need to re-register, people.
Yeah, that's what I did. I moved.
I want folks to be clear that, that your registration status may have changed. If you're a woman and you're in one of these voter ID states, all 10 of those ugly states where we are fighting and have been in the courts litigating, we need you to make sure that if your name changed, that in some of those states, your name must be identical to the registration, your voter registration name. So if you just got divorced or you just got married, you got a problem. You may need to re-register. So those are the things that people would not normally think of. They found out that the governor of Minnesota, it turns out the governor does not even have his birth name on his birth certificate. He was listed as baby boy. Isn't that something?
Oh, my goodness.
He's listed as baby boy. So this is the kind of situation where you need to take care of this right now. Don't wait. And we want everybody to early vote. Don't want you sitting around waiting until November 6th and calling me and telling me you got a problem when if you had called us 2 weeks earlier while you were early voting, we could have taken care of it. So let's do it now, folks. The word should be get up, get busy, do it now. September 25th is National Voter Registration Day. If you're in a frat, if you're in a sorority, if you're in a church, if you're in any kind of social group, if you just you and you want to walk down your block, that's the day to check with everybody you know and help them to get registered to vote also. So let's do everything we can between now and the close of voter registration on October 8th in most states and October 9th in Florida. Let's do what we got to do, people, right now.
Trust me, we're going to make sure to keep getting that word out. Barbara Arwine, she's going to be on with us every week to make sure you all get updated as we move closer to registration and then, of course, to Election Day.